Good morning, student. Welcome back to Math for Class 12. Exercise 4.2. Question number 9 already completed, but the last part is left. So again, start question number 9. Yeah. Question number x square y z y square zx z square xy. Then prove that x minus y minus z minus x xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, taking LHS. x x square yz y square zx z square xy. Okay, r1 tends to x r1 and r2 tends to b r2 and r3 tends to c sorry x and y, not b, y and this z r3. Okay, multiply by x in r1, y in r2 and z r3. Okay, and multiply and only divide the 1 upon x y z. Okay, this multiply the and only divide the same number x square x cube x y z and change to x y z this. Okay, so this is multiply y square y cube x y z and z square z cube and x y z. Taking common x y z from C3, x y z upon x y z, this x square x cube 1, y square y cube 1, z square z cube 1. Okay, and this cut change this one very simple question, r1 minus r2 r2 minus r3 can change. So x minus y na? r1 tends to r1 minus r2. Okay, and r2 tends to r2 minus r3. X square minus y square, x cube minus y cube, 1 minus 1 0, and y square minus z square, y cube minus z cube, this is also 0, and z square z cube and 1. Okay, and this factor change to factor x minus y x plus y x plus y. Okay, this x this side x minus y x plus y, this factor cube x minus y x square plus y square plus xy, this 0, same y minus z y plus z y minus z y square z square plus yz, this 0, z square z cube and 1. Common, taking common x minus y from r1 and y minus z from r2. Okay, x minus y from r1, y minus z into y minus z from r2, this determinant x plus y x square y square plus xy is 0, y plus z y square plus z square plus yz is 0, z square z cube this one. Expanding along this. Okay, c1 c3 along c3, this is a cancel along c3, this is a c3, this double 0 more than 0 expanding along more than 0 in a column or row is called a expanding factor. So that is x minus y and y minus z. This 1 into determinant x plus y, x square y square plus xy, and y plus z, and y square and z square plus yz. Okay, multiply x minus y, y minus z. This multiply x plus y into y square plus z square plus yz minus y plus z, x square y square plus xy. Okay, this expanding form. Okay, next multiply x minus y, y minus z. This x y square, x z square, x y z, and y cube plus yz square and y square z minus this y x square, y x square, y x square plus minus minus, all and minus y cube and x minus x y z minus zx square minus zy square minus xyz minus xyz, this y square xy into y, xy square, xyz cancel, and xy square minus xy square, and y cube, this plus y cube, and these are cancel. So remaining x minus y, y minus z into xz square plus yz square minus x square y minus x square z. This is pending. Okay, x minus y, y minus z. In this factor, to take common, basically x z square minus x square z plus y z square minus x square y. Changing factor, x minus y, y minus z. Take common this x z common, this z minus this x. Okay, and y common, z square minus x square. So change this factor, x minus y and y minus z, x z minus x, this y, z minus x and z plus x, b square minus b square, this common, x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x common, xz बचा, and this side y into z, yz and xy. This is a RHS proof. Okay, now let question number 10, 11 are same. Question number 10 and 11 are same. So taking 11 question, 10, 11 very simple question. This type questions. Okay, so let first part a minus b minus c, 2a and 2a, and this 2b y plus 2b b minus c minus a, and 2b 2c and c minus a minus b, this equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. It's an important question, mostly repeated in this question. Both part, first and second part, using suppose a minus b minus c, so using r method, 2b 2c, b we cancel, so a plus b plus c already cancel, change na. Okay, so use r using row method, or second part have column method. Okay, you can change column method in second part of 11th question. So use R1 thanks to R1 plus R2 plus R3 2b they say. So change A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Clear? And same 2A plus B minus C minus A plus 2C. 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B. Taking LHS. Okay, and this same 2B same B minus C minus A and 2B and 2C 2C C minus A minus B, right? So change A minus B plus B and this A plus B plus C are right. Same this A plus B plus C and this is also A plus B plus C. 2B B minus C minus A 2B 2C 2C C minus A minus B. This is the factor. Next common A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C common. So 1 1 1 2B B minus C minus A 2B and 2C 2C this C minus A minus B, right? And change subtract, very simple method, taking of this method. Okay, so now let A plus B plus C or this 1 1 1 2B B minus C minus A and 2B 2C 2C C minus A minus B. Okay, subtract C1, use C1 minus C1 tends to C1 minus C2 and C2 tends to C2 minus C3. Applies this method. B this 1 minus 1 0 2B minus B plus C plus this A plus B plus C. Okay, 2B minus B plus this sign change, so 2B minus B A plus B plus C and this. Okay, 2C minus 0 this 1 minus 1 this 0 B plus C minus 2B, so minus 2B and B cancel minus B, so this minus A minus B minus C. Okay, 2C minus C, so this C 2C minus C plus A plus B, so this is also changed to A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C and that 1 2B and C minus A minus B. Okay, so taking common from this 1 minus 2B minus this B minus C, right? B minus C minus A 2C and this 2B. Okay, right 2B minus this are already changed, so this A plus B plus C and this is also A plus B plus C are common. Taking common A plus B plus C from C1 and C2. This is A plus B plus C. Taking common A plus B, so A plus B. Okay, and this the minus common A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Outside the bar 0 0 1 this 1 and 0 or this minus 1 or this 1 and this 2B and C minus A minus B. Okay, along expanding along this R1 and this already cancelled. So this A plus B plus C whole cube into 1 dot 1 into 1 minus this 0 this A plus B plus C whole cube. This is a RHS 2. Okay, and question number 12. Question number 12, use this hint. This C1 C2, use C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3 method. Okay, and then after you can solve this. 12, 13, 14 are same this type. So here solution only question number 13. This important and tough questions, mostly tough question 12, 13 and 14, more than example. Okay, examples. 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab and 2b, ab, sorry, 2ab plus 1 minus a square plus b square, or 2a 2b minus 2a and 1 minus a square minus b equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Lengthiest question. Okay, so you can check this type question. Okay. 2ab and minus 2b, this 2ab and 2b, if any case multiply by a in R3, so you and subtract from R2 minus a, you can be solved, you can already solve. But minus and plus also given, to multiply in C1, sorry, C3 by a and adding, so these are already changed to 0. So this is important. So multiply C3 change to a C3. Okay, so this 1 upon a, this is 1 upon a, 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab and 2b, this 2ab minus 2ab. Okay, 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a, this multiply by a, this 2a square and a into 1 minus a square minus b square, this is value LHS, right? Change 1 upon a, okay, 2ab adding, this adding, this is C3 changes to C3 plus C2, C3 changes to C plus C3, 1 plus a square minus b square and 2ab and 2b, 2a and 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a, this 0 already, and 2a square or 1 plus a square plus b square plus 2a square means plus a square, so 1 plus a square plus b square, and this is already changed to minus a minus 2a plus a cube minus ab square. This side. Lengthy question, this type question already lengthy. 1 upon a this 1 plus a square b square, this a, this is already minus a. Okay, this is a is plus this minus a cube minus ab square, taking minus, so taking 1 plus a square plus b square, taking common from this C3, so 1 upon a into 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, this is common from a determinant, 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab and 2b, this 2a and 1 minus a square plus b square and minus 2a, and then common change this 0, 1 plus a, this 1, and this common minus a common, so 1 plus a square plus b square, so minus a this here. Okay, minus a, so multiply by, suppose this change to 0. Okay, so multiply by a in R2 changes to a multiply by R2. Okay, so divide also, so 1 plus a square plus b square, this multiply already and divide on outside the determinant, so this a into a square. Okay, change to a square 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab and 2b, 2a 0, and this multiply by in this a square, right? So this a minus aq, a into 1 minus a square plus b square, this a, 2b minus 2a minus a, and adding r2 tends to r2 plus r3, 1 plus a square plus b square upon a square. Here 1 plus a square minus b square, 2a square b, 2b, this 2a 0, this change a, this minus 2a, already add a minus 2a, तो minus a minus 2a और प्लस a, तो minus a square plus b square, this value change. Okay, this value change is 0, minus 2a and minus a. Clear? Taking common a from r2. Okay, this a and this 2b, so a common, this no this is not common, this is right, along expanding along this side, 2a 2b 2a a square multiply 2a square b, and this r1 2 a square b plus 3, so 2a square b plus 2b 2b, right? And this a multiply a, only 1 minus a square plus b, so a minus a cube plus b, ab square, and this add, so minus a plus minus a cube or plus ab square, right? This a cube and ab square, so is 2b is the common, 2b common, तो a square plus 1 change, and this are already right. Along c3, expanding along c3, 1 plus a square plus b square upon a square minus a into this 1 plus a square minus b square into minus a common, तो minus a, तो this value minus a, तो 1 plus a square minus b, 1 plus a square minus b square already changed, ठीक, minus 2a this 2a value change to 2ab, this value 2ab, na, this 2ab and this 2ab, this is also 2ab, right, mistake 2ab, this 2ab multiply 2a comma 2a square b plus 2b, okay, and change a square, a common ले लेना, a and this a is here, so taking common a, this a square cancel, 1 plus a square plus b square upon a square into minus a square, so this a cancel, minus a, so minus plus, so this minus change common, so 1 plus a square minus b square into 1 plus a square minus b square, this value change to b, and b common, so this is a 2b common, so a square plus 1, this side a square plus 1, 2b is common, so 4b square already changed, तो ए स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, 1 प्लस तो 1, 1 प्लस दिस तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस होल स्क्वायर, ओके, माइनस बी स्क्वायर टू 4, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी विच आर सेम, ओके 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 ओके, वो 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4b स्क्वायर इंटू 4b स्क्वायर, 4b स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस 4b स्क्वायर, राइट, एंड चेंज the same, 1 plus 1 square a square raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, okay, plus 2ab, 2a square minus 2b square minus 2a square b square plus 4a square b square plus 4b square, okay. So change 1 plus a square plus b square, this value 1 plus a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, 4a square b square plus 2a square b square change to 2b square, and 2b square 4b square plus b square plus 2a square 4 2b square plus 2b plus 2b square, this plus change to 2a square b square, okay. Is 1 plus a square plus b square, this value 1 plus a plus b, 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, okay, this value already changed to this by a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is right, 1 plus a square plus b square whole power 3, true. Important question, okay, right. Next question, next question number 14, important question, what am a tough question this, right, only simple question, so change to a1 ab and AC, AB, B square plus 1, BC, CA, CB and C square plus 1. Ready, change to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Proof by taking LHS. LHS A square plus 1, AB and AC, AB, B square plus 1, BC, CA, CB and C square plus 1. Okay, so R1 tends to multiply by this method, okay. So you have extra work, you have extra work. So R1 tends to AR1, R2 tends to BR2, R3 tends to CR3. So 1 upon ABC, 1 upon ABC and then multiply by AQ plus A square B, A square C, this AB square and this multiply BQ plus B, multiply B square C and this C square A, C square B and CQ plus C, okay, taking common. From this A from C1, B from C2 and C from C3, we get ABC upon ABC, this A common, so A square plus 1, already change, this B square and C square, and this common B, this A square, B square plus 1, this C square, and this C common, A square, B square and C square plus 1, okay, ABC cut. So R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. A square plus 1, so already find 1 plus A, 1 plus A square B square C square. So 1 plus A square B square plus C square. This is also 1 plus A square B square plus C square. This is also 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. B square, B square plus 1, and this B square, C square, C square, C square plus 1. Taking common, taking common 1 plus A square B square plus C square from R1. 1 plus A square B square plus C square. Okay, this 1 change, this B square plus 1, and this B square C square plus 1. Again, very simple. The 1 already changed in the R1, so R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3. So R1 tends to R1 minus R2, and sorry, C1. This is C1. Okay, this minus this, this minus this. C1. C1 tends to C1 minus C2, and C2 tends to C2 minus C3. Yeah. So this is a PowerPoint. Cut 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Use 1 minus 1 0. B square change minus 1, and C square change 0. 1 minus 1 0. B square minus to this 1. C minus this to this minus 1, minus 1. B square and C square plus 1. This is it. Right. Okay. You can check 1 plus A square B square C square. This is minus after subtraction. So expanding along R1. R1. 1 plus A square B square plus C square. This is value 1 dot this minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 0 0. Okay, so 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, which is a RHS, right? Prove. Homework. Question number 9 to 10th of this. Question number 10, 11 second part. Okay, and question number 12. Solve. Thank you. And tomorrow will be exercise 4.3 area of triangle, and read. And this exercise means 4.2 exercise important for board examination, so revise more time means 4-5 times also, then also point this clear. Okay, thank you.